Our strategic planning is now building on 5 different elements. One of the elements is to improve health, and we have discussed that a little bit. The other element is to continue with the educational perspective that the EFP has, improve that, widen that. The third one is the policy. This is a very important one, and we are working hard on that at the moment to really try to reinforce periodontology and to get this recognized as a specialty within Europe. This is a major work and a major effort we are doing right now. We are again taking on board research as part of our strategic plan. We didn't have it for a while. We are taking it on board again, and what we want to do with that is also to disseminate research in not only to our specialists, but into the general dentistry, into the public domain. And by doing that to the public domain, we are moving into the 5th objective. The 5th objective is the communication. And we are now putting a lot of emphasis on working on getting the message out. And this is not out to the dental field, this is out more global, to the general field, to the patients, to the public, to other stakeholders. Periodontal health for a better life, that's a fantastic, one-liner, as we say. This is a fantastic one. And, it came up after the workshop because we said if you have good periodontal health, that will affect also your general health. But it's more than that. If you have periodontal health, you may also have nice teeth, nice gums. And this means that you also may have an increased self-confidence, better self-esteem. And so it is in many ways affecting people's life. It's not only about avoiding diseases, it's by having a good appearance, feeling good, feeling healthy. We want to reach out to specialists, to dentists, to the whole dental team. We want to work also with other organizations, with the industry, with other stakeholders, the patients and the public at large. So we would not only limit ourselves to working with our own national societies, we want to go broadly. The EFP is an organization that is continuously growing, and we now have 28 societies that represents roughly 13,000 individuals. And by being such a large organization, of course, we are a major player when it comes to promoting periodontology in the world. And our mission is, of course, to continue that work, to work with promoting periodontology as part of oral health and general health and well-being. This is basically our main mission. And to do so, we have a couple of different, I would say, jewels within the EFP, okay? We are doing this by our workshops and translating the knowledge we get from the workshops into statements that can be used worldwide in the dental field. We are doing this by our congresses, the Perio congresses, the world's, I would say, biggest congress on periodontology and implant dentistry. This is given every 3rd year, as you know. And we are doing this by publishing quality papers in our journal of clinical periodontology.